6.0 magnitude earthquake strikes northeast of Australia's Norfolk Island. An earthquake of magnitude 6.0 struck Australia's remote Norfolk Island, the United States Geological Survey reported on Thursday. The quakes were registered at a depth of 10 kilometers and about 681 kilometers northeast of the island. The small Norfolk Island lies 1,412 kilometers east of the Australian mainland. It has a population of around 1,750. The island is located close to the Ring of Fire, the major area in the Pacific Ocean where earthquakes and volcanic eruptions frequently occur. The tremors come a day after a 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck the coast of the French territory of New Caledonia.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.